Andrew Plitt here with AndrewPlitt.com. In this video, we are connecting movements 1 through 3 of the Taiji 10 form. If you don't already know these movements, or if you have not learned them previously, go check out the videos where I teach each of these movements in detail so you understand what's supposed to be happening specifically with each movement. Those videos are available for free on my YouTube channel. Once you've learned each movement individually in detail, come back to this video and learn how to connect them together. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Let's go ahead and get started. Start with your feet together. Weight even between both legs, check your alignment, make sure all the Taiji principles are in place that we've talked about in previous videos. Begin by bending the knees. Shift your weight into the right leg. Step out with the left foot to the east, gently touching with the left toe. Set the heel down and shift the weight so it's even between both legs. Breathe in, bring the arms up in front of the body. Breathe out and press down with both hands as you sink. The right hand sweeps back, the left hand comes up in front, both hands turn palm up, bend the right arm, drop the elbow, push forward with the right hand as you pull the left hand back, sweep back behind the body with the left hand, both hands turning palm up, the right arm extended in front of you. Bend the left elbow. Push forward with the left hand as the right hand pulls in. Turn the right foot in, shift to the right leg, bring the right hand up and the left hand next to the right shoulder. Step to the east with the left foot, brush the knee with the left hand, push with the right hand to the east. Turn the left foot in, right hand next to the left shoulder, left hand comes up. Step to the west with the right foot, brushing the right knee with the right hand, pushing to the west with the left. Start with your feet together, weight even between both legs. Make sure that all the alignment is in place. Make sure that all the Taiji principles are in place, that you have good structure and good alignment through the body. Hands to your sides. Bend the knees. Sink. Shift your weight into the right leg. Pick up the heel of the left foot. Step out to the left or to the east, gently touching with the toe, setting the heel down and shifting your weight so it's even between both legs. Bring the arms up in front, palms down. Sink and press down with both hands. The right hand sweeps back behind. The left hand comes up in front. Bend the right arm. Push forward to the south. With the right hand, pull the left hand back. Sweep back with the left hand. Palm up. Bend the left arm. Push forward with the left hand and pull back with the right hand. From here, turn the right leg in. Shift to the right leg, bringing the right hand up and the left hand next to the right shoulder. Step out with the left foot to the east. Brush the left knee with the left hand and push with the right hand to the east. From here, turn the left leg in. The left hand comes up, right hand next to the left shoulder. Step out to the west with the right leg. Brush the right knee with the right hand. Push to the west with the left hand. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn how to connect these movements with me today. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope seeing how these movements connect together is really helping you learn how to do this form. If you enjoyed this video, or if you got something out of it, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also consider becoming a supporting member of this channel to help ensure more videos like this will be made available in the future. Stay safe and healthy out there, and as always, thank you for watching.